3. Now we'll do Unit 4, Section 2. The sun and the wind. Poof, said the wind. Puff, poof. Okay, this puffed, said the wind to the sun. I am stronger than you, the wind. Wind is telling to the sun. Said the wind to the sun. I am stronger than you. Are you indeed? Said the sun. Are you indeed? Said the sun, with a broad and pleasant smile. Okay. Wonder how we could find out. How can we find out who is strong enough? For a time they talked about it, the wind in a temper and the sun in a very good humor. Now, at last the sun looked out across the broad plain and said slowly, here comes a man who is wearing a shawl. Here comes a man who is wearing a shawl. Let us each try to take his shawl off him. Let us try to take his shawl out him. And he who does so, who can be able to take his shawl off, shall call himself the stronger. Then that person, then the sun will be stronger, or the wind who will make his shawl off. Very well, said the wind, in a great hurry as usual. I will try first. The wind said, I will try first. Then the wind rushed across the plains to meet the man and blew at him with all his might, all his strength. He blew. The wind is blowing at the man, okay, with all his might, strength. The man wrapped his shawl, okay, the man wrapped his shawl more closely round his neck, around his leg and body. The wind blew harder and harder, so that the man was quite out of the breath. Then the man was out of his breath. But he held his shawl tightly with both hands and would not let the wind take off him. Okay, he held the shawl very tightly and would not take off the shawl of him. Okay, next. Now said the sun with his jolly smile, I will. It's my turn now. It is my turn. Then he made him warm beams fall. Then he made the sun rays fall on the man. After a while, the man was forced to stop and take a rest. Okay, he stopped and take a rest. The sun shone. Shone means shining brighter and brighter, and the man felt hotter and hotter. The sun was becoming brighter and brighter, and man is feeling hotter and hotter. At last, he felt so hot that he had to sit down by the side of the road. Then he sat down by the side of the road. Okay, he felt so hot. The sun went on shining brighter in the end. Okay, went on shining brighter and brighter, and in the end, the man threw off his shawl. Then at last the man felt so hot that he threw off his shawl. The smile of the sun now seems to be broader ever. The sun was shining broader because he won. And he said to the fussy angry wind, he said to the angry wind, learn from this that gentleness and kindness often wins where force and anger lose. Okay, they thought, learn today that gentleness and kindness. I was gentle and kind, so I won the race, but you were angry and force. That means you lost the race. Okay, if you are gentle and kind, you will always win the race. So the sun won. Okay, for today, this much. Thank you.